This is the Opus 88 Omar fountain pen. It comes in a black cardboard box. The Opus 88 logo is embossed on the top of the box lid. The front of the box lid has a magnetic catch, and the box lid lifts open. Included with the pen is information about Opus 88 and the warranty, as well as an eyedropper. It's a glass eyedropper. Because it is an eyedropper fountain pen, you'll need that to fill it. And of course, the Opus 88 Omar fountain pen has a different color resin here on the barrel of the pen and the cap. The barrel has a semi-transparent resin, so you can see the mechanism and the ink level inside. The cap has a marbled finish to kind of accentuate the barrel of the pen. Chrome colored trim on the pen with a chrome clip. And then on both ends of the pen is an ivory colored resin that matches. The cap is a threaded cap and unscrews. You can post that cap on the end of the barrel of the pen if you would like to. Makes it a little long with it posted, but it's up to you on whether you want to use it that way or not. The pen comes with a stainless steel number 5 nib, or I'm sorry, number 6 size nib with a black feed. It is an eyedropper pen, so the way you would fill this pen is unscrew the section from the barrel of the pen. There is an O-ring here that keeps the ink from leaking once the section is screwed back together. There's also a mechanism inside, so you would unscrew the knob on the end of the barrel of the pen, and you then pull the mechanism back. It allows you to fill it with ink. You would put the section back on the barrel of the pen and then slide that back in and tighten the knob on the end of the barrel of the pen. This knob also allows the air to breathe a bit, so you can unscrew it while it's writing, which allows the ink to flow. Great design. It's a high-end eyedropper system that's found on some of the high-end pens. Great design, great pen. Get your Omar Opus 88 fountain pen at penchalet.com.